Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This video is about the quadratic equations, exercise 4.3, and the numericals which this video covers is from 6th to 11th. In the last video, I have done from 2nd main to 5th one. So this is from 6th to 11th. So let's start. 6th one is like this. The diagonals of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the larger side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. Okay, we have to draw a rectangle. Now whatever they have given, let us put all the things in the rectangle. Let me take it as A, B, C, D. And they have given that the shorter side, I'll take it as x meters. And the longer side is, they have given 30 meters more than the shorter side. So x plus 30. Longer side is x plus 30 meters. And what else they have given? The diagonal is x plus 60 meters. They have given that the diagonal of the rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So 60 meters more, x plus 60. And we know that this is 90 degree. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem and we can solve it. So if this is x, then the opposite side of the rectangle will also be x. So AB is x. And we have all the sides of this triangle ABC, and we can apply Pythagoras theorem, solve it. So let us write down the things here. That is the shorter side of the rectangular field be x meters. Let the shorter side of rectangular field equal to x meters. Then what happens? Therefore, the diagonal, its diagonal is equal to x plus 60 meters. And its longer side is equal to x plus 30 meters. So shorter side x and x plus 30, then x plus 60. Now what we can do in right triangle ABC. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. AB square, let me take it as AC squared. Hypotenuse. Square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. So AB square plus BC square. And we'll apply or substitute the values of all these sides. It will be x plus 60 whole square is equal to x plus AB is x. X square plus BC is x plus 30 whole square. And this is x plus 60 and x plus 30, they are whole squares. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So the identity, if you expand the identity, if it is a plus b whole square, then a square plus b square plus 2ab. And now for us, we have x plus 60 in the place of a plus b. So it will be x square plus 60 square plus 2 into 60 into x into 60 is equal to this x square plus now x plus 30 whole square. Again we can apply the same formula. It is x square plus 30 square plus 2 into x into 30. Now LHS x square, RHS x square we can cut, and 60 square is nothing but 3600, plus if you multiply 16 to 2 into x, it will be 120x is equal to x square, plus 30 square is nothing but 900, plus this is 60x. We will shift the LHS side to the RHS side. We will get x square plus 900 plus 60x minus 3600 minus 120x equal to 0. Now, if we simplify by adding or subtracting the equal terms, it will be like 900 and 3600. It is equal to minus 2700, and 60x minus 120x, that is equal to minus 60 minus 2700 is equal to 0. Now we can apply the formula, quadratic equation formula, and we can split the middle term and solve it. I'll split the middle term and solve it. If you multiply the last two terms, x square and 2700, we are going to get minus 2700 x square. And if we add or subtract, we should get minus 60. So the numbers are 90 and then 30. So 90x and 30x. Now this is minus 60, therefore the bigger number should get minus and this is plus. So if you multiply these two terms, we get minus 2700 x square. And if we subtract, we will get minus 60x. We will substitute that x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Now, if we group the terms and then if we take out the common factors, x into x minus 90 plus 30 is the common term, x minus 90 equal to 0. Now in this, the common factor is x minus 90, so we will take out that x plus 30 into x minus 90 equal to 0. Now this is x plus 30 equal to 0 or x minus 90 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 30 meters or x is equal to 90 meters. Now we cannot take the negative side, right? The side will not be negative. So this is ruled out, since it is a negative value. Now the shortest side is 90 meters. Therefore the shorter side of given rectangular field is equal to x, that is equal to 90 meters. We have taken the shorter side as x meters, right? So shorter side is x meters, that is 90 meters. Therefore the longer side of given rectangle, it is rectangular field, is equal to x plus 30 meters. We know that it is 30 meters more than the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. So x plus 30 meters. Therefore it will be equal to 90 plus 30, that is 120 meters. So this is x plus 30. The longer side is 180 meters and the shorter side is 90 meters. So these are the two answers for the numerical. And we'll go for the seventh one. What they have given, the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. Fine, we'll find the two numbers. We will let the larger number be x. As usual, let the larger number be equal to x. And what they have given? The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So the square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So how do we represent this? It is smaller number square, right? Smaller number square is equal to 8 times larger number. We have taken larger number as x. So we will substitute this 8x. Therefore, what is smaller number? Smaller number will be equal to plus or minus square root of 8x, right? This is square is there. So if we take out the square and we'll get the smaller number. Then what they have given, the difference of the square of two numbers is 180. So we have the condition, that is difference of these two numbers is equal to 180, right? So which is that? That is x square, larger number, minus root of 8x whole square is equal to 180. And we'll simplify this. We'll get root and square will cancel. So we'll get 8x is equal to 180. So we got the quadratic equation, that is x square minus 8x minus 180 equal to 0. Fine. And now we'll split the middle term and do it. If we add or subtract, we should get 8x minus 8x, and if you multiply, we have to get 180 x square. So we'll split the middle term by finding the factors. It is very simple, that is 18 tens are 180, right? And then 18x and 18x. Now where to put minus? Minus 8, so bigger number, minus 18. And smaller number plus 10. So this is x square minus 18x plus 10x minus 180 equal to 0. We'll group the terms and we'll take out the common factor from these terms. X minus 18 plus 10 is the common factor, x minus 18 equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 10 into x minus 18 equal to 0. X plus 10 equal to 0 or x minus 18 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 10, right? Or x is equal to plus 18. So these are the two numbers. Now we have to find out, we got the larger number. So the large number is larger number, x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 18. Now if it is minus 10, then what is the smaller number? Therefore, smaller number. Smaller number we know that is equal to plus or minus square root of 8x. So this is plus or minus square root of 8 into, it is minus 10, so minus 10. So we are going to get plus or minus square root of minus 80, which is ruled out because the negative sign inside the root is there. So this is ruled out. Now we'll go for the next one, that is when x is equal to 18, then what is the smaller number? Therefore, smaller number is equal to plus or minus square root of 8x. That will be equal to plus or minus 8 into 18. So that is equal to plus or minus square root of 144. That is plus or minus 12. The square root of 144 is 12. So smaller number is plus or minus 12. Therefore, the two numbers are 18 and 12, right? Then 18 and minus 12. So these are the two numbers. Okay, we'll go for the next one, that is 8th one. A train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So we need to find the speed of the train. This is very simple. Let us write down the things what they have given for us first, then it becomes easy for us. Let us consider the first condition. What is the first condition here? First condition is the distance is 360. Train travels 360 kilometers. So distance is equal to 360 kilometers. And then let the speed of the train be, equal to x kilometers per hour. Therefore, if you write down the formula for the speed, it is speed is equal to distance by time, which you have already studied in physics. Now, let us substitute the values. Speed is, we have taken x kilometer per hour. So, we'll substitute that is equal to distance is 360 kilometers divided by time. And what we are supposed to find out, this is, we need to find out the time. Therefore, time will be equal to what? Is equal to 360 divided by x. So, this is what we get. Just cross multiplication. So, we will get time is equal to 360 by x. We will go for the second condition, what they have given. Second condition. They have given, if the speed had been 5 kilometers more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey, right? Therefore, speed will be, if speed is equal to 5 kilometers per hour more. How do we write down that? X plus 5 kilometer per hour, right? Then distance. What is the distance? It is same distance they have given. So that is 360 kilometers. And the time will be equal to how much? 360 by x. What is we have got here? 360 by x time. And they have given clearly it would have been 1 hour less. So this is 1 hour less than the time that it has taken. And in this the LCM is x. So we'll get 360 minus minus x hour. So this is about the time. Now what we are supposed to do? We have to find out the speed. They have given clearly speed. So speed will be equal to what? In this case, speed is equal to distance by time. Now speed is, it is x plus 5. Distance is same, 360 kilometers divided by time. Time is, we have, this is the time. 360 minus x divided by x. This is the time. What we will do, we'll cross multiply this and we'll find out. So I'll do this side. So this is x plus 5 into 360 minus x by x is equal to 360. And if we if we cross multiply this x, we'll get x plus 5 into 360 minus x is equal to 360x. Let us multiply this x plus 5 and 360 minus x. So what we are going to get? X into 360 minus x plus 5 into 360 minus x is equal to 360x. And if we multiply these two terms, then we'll get 360x minus x square plus it is 1800 minus 5x is equal to 360x. And LHS 360x, RHS 360x can be cancelled. We are left with minus x square plus 1800 minus 5x equal to 0. We can shift this LHS to the right side, or we can multiply this with minus 1 so that it becomes easy for us to calculate. It is x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. We can split the middle term and find out, or else we can use the quadratic formula. So if you multiply the last two terms, we will get minus 1800x square, and if we add or subtract, we have to get plus 5. So the terms are 45x and 40x. And this is minus and this is plus because this is plus 5x. So the bigger number should get plus. Now x square plus 45x minus 40x 1 minus 1800 equal to 0. Let us group the terms and take out the common factor, x into x plus 45 minus, in this case 40 is the common term, x plus 45, that is equal to 0. And it is x minus 40 into x plus 45 equal to 0. That implies x minus 40 equal to 0 or x plus 45 equal to 0. And therefore x will be equal to plus 40 or x is equal to minus 45. So minus 45, that is, what is x? First of all, let us know what is x. It is, we have taken x is the speed, right? X is the speed. Let the speed is x kilometer per hour, and speed cannot be negative. So this is ruled out. Speed cannot be negative, so this is ruled out, and we are left with x is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. So therefore, the speed of the train is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. This is the answer. Okay, let us go for the next one, ninth one. Let us read it. The two water taps can together fill a tank in 3 by 8 hours. The tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours, less than the smaller one, to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can fill the tank. So we need to find out the time in which each tap can fill the tank. Okay. So what we'll take, we'll write down the conditions what they have given for us first. What is first condition? The first condition is, let the time taken by smaller tap be, to fill the full tank be x hours. Let the time taken by smaller tap is, to fill the complete tank is equal to x hours. Therefore, the volume of the tank filled by smaller tap in 1 hour. In 1 hour, how much it fills? For complete filling, it needs x hours. Just in 1 hour, what is the volume it will be filled? That is 1 by x. So this is the volume which will be covered by the tap to fill that particular tank. Then we'll go for the second condition. What is the second condition in this case? The time taken by larger tap is 10 hours less. They have given the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the same tank. So time taken by larger tap, that is larger diameter tap, it is they have given clearly 10 hours less. 10 hours less means x minus 10. We have taken for the smaller diameter tap x hours, so it is 10 minus 1. X minus 10 hours. Sorry, x minus 10 hours. Therefore, the volume of the tank filled by larger diameter tap in 1 hour. So in the same line, if we do this, that will be equal to 1 divided by x minus 10 hours. Right? For 1 hour, it can fill 1 by x minus 10, not hours, cc or whatever. So cubic units. We can write it as cubic units. This also cubic units. Volume, that will be in cubic units. And therefore, we'll go for the third condition. That will be easy for us. Third condition, what they have given. Time taken by both the taps to fill the tank. How much they have given? Time taken by both the taps to fill the tank is equal to 3 by 8 hours. And if we simplify this and write down or express in the improper fraction, it will be 75 by 8 hours. Therefore, tank filled by smaller tap in 75 by 8 hours is how much? Therefore, tank filled by smaller tap in 75 by 8 hours is equal to volume into 75 by 8 hours. So volume is how much? 1 by x into 75 by 8 hours. So that will be equal to 75 by 8x hours. So no, not hours. Let us not take it as tank filled is this much. So we'll take the tank filled by larger tap. The tank filled by larger tap in 75 by 8 hours, that is equal to volume into 75 by 8 hours. So volume is how much? 1 by x minus 10 into 78 by 8. 75 by 8. So that will be equal to 75 divided by 8 into x minus 10. So this is what we have. Next what? We need to find out this one, that is, what is x? So x is what? The time taken by smaller tap, and also we have to find out what is the time taken by the larger tap. So both we need to find out, and we have filling a tank. So it is one tank is equal to how much? Tank filled by smaller tap 75 by 8 plus 8x plus tank filled by the larger tap 75 by 8 into x minus 10. Filling a tank is 1. 1 is equal to 75 by 8x plus 75 by 8 into x minus 10. If we take the LCM, it will be 8x into x minus 10, and we will get 75 into x minus 10 plus it is 75 into x. We will get, this will be equal to 75x minus 75 into 10 is 750 plus 75x divided by, if we multiply this, we will get 8x square minus 80x. And we will cross multiply this. We are going to get 8x square minus 80x is equal to 75x plus 75x, that will be 150x minus 750. That's it. And we'll shift all these things to the left hand side. We'll get 8x square minus 80x minus 150x plus 750 is equal to 0. And this will be equal to 8x square minus 230x plus 750 equal to 0. And we can do it directly, or we can divide it with 2 so that it can become more simplified. So it will be 4x square minus 115x plus 375 equal to 0. So this is what we have. This is the equation we have. And for this, if we solve, we can split the middle term and do, or we can use quadratic formula. Anything is fine. 4x square minus 115x plus 375 equal to 0. And if we multiply these two terms, the last two terms, we are going to get 1500x square. And if we add or subtract, we should get 115x. So it is 115 1500. So 100 plus 15 will be get 115, and this is plus. So minus and minus, minus into minus plus, and if you add these two terms, you get minus 115. Let us substitute this. Let us split the middle term. 4x square minus 100x minus 15x plus 375 equal to 0. And grouping the terms. In this, the first two terms, the common factor is 4x. If we take out a 4x, we will get x minus 25 inside the bracket. And in the last two terms, 15 is the common factor. It is x minus 25 is equal to 0. And it will be 4x minus 15 into x minus 25 equal to 0. So 4x minus 15 equal to 0, or x minus 25 equal to 0. 4x is equal to 15, or x is equal to 25. X is equal to 15 by 4, or x is equal to 25. So what is x? X is nothing but the time taken to fill the tank by a smaller tap, and this 25. This 15 by 4 is ruled out, right? And 25 hours. So therefore, the time taken to fill the tank by a smaller tap, smaller diameter tap is equal to 25 hours. Therefore, the time taken by larger tap to fill the tank is equal to x minus 10. So it is 25 minus 10. that is 15 hours. So these are the two answers, 25 hours and then 15 hours. Okay, we'll go for the next one, that is 10th one. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore, without taking into consideration the time they stop at the intermediate stations. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. Fine. We will take the first condition they have given for us. First condition. What's the first condition? It is for passenger train. Okay, take it for passenger train, the first condition. Let the speed be equal to x kilometers per hour. This is the speed of the passenger train. And then what? The distance is how much? Distance to be covered between Mysore and Bangalore is 132 kilometers. And we know the formula for speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. Let us substitute. So speed is x, distance is 132 and time is, let me take time itself. Therefore, what happens to the time? Okay, let me write down here. Time, cross multiplying it, that is equal to 132 by x. So this is what we get, 132 by x. And we will go for the next one, that is second condition for the express train. Now what they have given, distance is same, right? So distance is 132 kilometers between Bangalore and Mysore. Then speed is how much? 11 kilometer per hour more than passenger train. This is what they have given. So speed will be equal to x plus 11. This x is the speed of the passenger train. So express train is 11 kilometers per hour more. So its speed is x plus 11 kilometers per hour. Therefore, speed is equal to distance by time, and time will be equal to distance by speed. So distance is 132 kilometers and speed is x plus 11 kilometers per hour. So this is the time. We'll go for the third condition, what they have given for us. Third condition. They have given third condition like this. Express train takes 1 hour less takes 1 hour less than the passenger train. Therefore, time taken by passenger train minus time taken by express train is equal to 1 hour, right? So it takes 1 hour less. They have given it clearly. It is 1 hour less than the passenger train. Express train take 1 hour less. So it is time taken by the passenger train minus time taken by the express train is equal to 1 hour. And now passenger train time is 132 by x and express train is 132 by x plus 11 equal to 1. LCM, x into x plus 11 is the LCM, and this will be 132 into x plus 11 minus 132x is equal to 1. We'll cross multiply, or first we can multiply here and then we'll cross multiply. So multiplying 132 with this, so we'll get 132x plus 1452. 132 into 11 is 1452 minus 132x divided by multiplying x plus 11 by with x square plus 11x equal to 1. Plus 132 minus 132 will be cancelled. We are left with 1452 is equal to x square plus 11x. We'll shift it to this side, so we'll get x square plus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. Now we have the quadratic equation. We have to find out the values of x. We'll split the middle term and find out, or else we can do with the this one also, formula also, quadratic formula. Okay, let me take quadratic formula. It becomes easy in this case. Minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what is a is 1, b is 11, c is minus 1452. Let us substitute these. Minus 11 plus r minus square root of 11 square minus 4 into a is 1 into minus 1452 divided by 2 into 1. 2a, so 2 into 1. That is minus 11 plus r minus square root of 11 square is minus to minus plus, and if you multiply, we get 5808 divided by 2. And so if you add it, we will get 5929 divided by 2. And the square root of 5929 is minus 11 plus r minus 77 divided by 2. This is x is equal to minus 11 plus 77 by 2, or x is equal to minus 11 minus 77 by 2. X is equal to 66 by 2, or x is equal to minus 88 by 2. X is equal to 33 kilometers per hour, the speed of the passenger train, or x is equal to minus 44 kilometers per hour, the speed of the passenger train. Minus 44 ruled out because speed cannot be negative. And the answer is 33 kilometers per hour for the passenger train. And if it is express train, then how much it is? Express train will be equal to how much? So it is x plus 11, the speed of the train, express train. This is passenger train. Speed of passenger train. Now speed of express train. Is equal to x plus 11. So that is 33 plus 11. So it will be equal to 44 kilometers per hour. So this is the value of the speed of the express train, and this is the speed of the passenger train. Let us go for the last one of this exercise. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter, find the side of the two squares. So this we need to find out. Let us start. They have given that. Let us write down the conditions given for us. First condition. Then it becomes easy for us. Sum of the area of two squares is 468 meters square. Okay. So let us take it as the side of first square. be equal to x meters. Okay. And then the perimeter of the first square will become how much? Therefore, perimeter of first square will be equal to 4x meters, right? Square, we know what is a square. If this is x, then all the sides are equal, x, and this is x plus x plus x plus x. So it will be equal to 4x, right? X plus x plus x plus x, 4x. So this is the perimeter for x meters. And what is the second condition given for us? Let me write that also. Second condition. They have given that the difference in perimeter is 24 meters. They have given the difference in the perimeter is 24 meters. So difference in perimeter of the two squares, 24 meters. Now perimeter of that is what? Perimeter of first square minus perimeter of second square is equal to 24 meters. Now perimeter of first square, we know it is 4x. So 4x minus perimeter of second square is equal to 24 meters. Therefore, perimeter of second square is equal to how much? So minus into perimeter of second square is equal to 24 minus 4x. So let me write down this, multiply the whole thing by minus 1. That becomes, so this is inside the thing. So it is minus. So let us multiply the whole thing with minus. Then it becomes plus. Perimeter of second square is equal to plus 4x minus 24. Right? So this is what we got. And now what? Therefore, side of the second square. So now this perimeter will be taken as 4 into side of second square. Is it not? So perimeter means the sum of all the four sides. So 4 into side of second square is 4x minus 24. Therefore, side of second square is equal to 4x minus 24 by 4. And if we divide these two terms, 4x and 24 with 4, we will get x minus 6 meters. So this is what the side of second square. And why are we finding the side of second square or side of the first square? Why? What's the reason for it? Because we know that area is side square of a square. It is side square, right? So what they have given? Let me write down the given thing. Area of first square plus area of second square is equal to 468. So what they have given? The area of two squares is 468 meter square. So they have given that. Because of the given thing, we need to find out, we have to write down the value for the first side of first square, and we should get the value for the side of second square. Let us substitute those things here. X square plus x minus 6 whole square. We know that the area of square is side square. Is it not? Area of square is side square. So side of the first square is x square. Side of the second square is x minus 6 whole square. So therefore we need to find out the value of x. it is 468. And if we simplify this, x square plus this x minus 6 is in the form of a minus b whole square. So this is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and we have x minus 6 whole square in the place of a minus b, and we'll get x square minus 2 into x into 6 plus 6 square is equal to 468. So we'll get this x square and x square, we get 2x square minus 12x plus 36 equal to 468. And if we shift this to the left side, we'll get 2x square minus 12x plus 36 minus 468 equal to 0. And if we simplify these two terms, we get 2x square minus 12x minus 432 equal to 0. We can divide the whole thing with 2 so that it becomes still more simplified. We get x square minus 6x minus 216 equal to 0. So we'll split the middle term and find out. The middle term is minus 6, and we need to multiply the last two terms. We get minus 216 x square. And if you add or subtract, we should get minus 6x. So it will, the terms are minus 18x plus 12x. Let us substitute that. X squared minus 18x plus 12x minus 216 equal to 0. You people can find out by applying the quadratic formula also. For this, after grouping the terms, we can take out x common. X minus 18 plus 12 into x minus 18 equal to 0. X plus 12 into x minus 18 equal to 0. X plus 12 equal to 0, or x minus 18 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 12, or x is equal to 18. So these are the two numbers we got. Now what is x? X is the side of the first square, and minus 12 is ruled out, isn't it? This minus 12 is ruled out because side of the square cannot be negative. Therefore, side of first square is equal to 18. Therefore, side of second square, they have given clearly that it is x minus 6. So, we'll write down this x minus 6, that is equal to x minus 18. It is 18. X is 18 minus x, and the answer is 12 meters. So, it is 12 meters. So, this is 18 meters, and first square side is 18 meters and second square side is 12 meters. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. Thank you once again. In the next video, I am going to cover, that is 4.4 exercise from the quadratic equations.